Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today in the video I am going to talk about one wonderful technique which will definitely help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learners, this is really very important to know for all English learner, you can say. Okay, or for you, for me, for everybody, whoever wants to improve their English communication, right? Every people or every English learner asks the same question: why my English is not improving? What is the reason behind it? I practice it daily, I learn vocabulary, I learn grammar, I do listening, but still my English is not improving. What's the reason behind it? See guys, the wonderful technique that I'm going to talk about in this video, make sure that you will follow my words, you will do that technique, then only you can see improvement in your English communication. And the technique is consistency. Consistency is the key to speak English properly, fluently and confidently. Okay, I hope guys you are understanding. There are a lot of people, they say that I practice English, then what's the reason and why I have to maintain the consistency? See guys, before maintaining it, you need to know what is consistency. What is consistency? Consistency means doing something or any work continuously every single day without skipping it. That is consistency. And now let me tell you the importance of it. Guys, when you are learner in any particular field, let's suppose when you solve a question of mathematics, when you try the first attempt and when you try the first time, that moment you do not understand that question, and again you try for the second time, and again third time, and again fourth time, and at the end of the day you know the proper way and you can solve that question easily. So how did it happen? It happened because of the consistency. Because of the consistency, you did it one time, two time, three time, four time, and then you become good at it, right guys? So that is the reason I want to tell you, practice it daily, every single day, whenever you are free. For even if you are free for 15 minutes, just practice it 15 minutes. No worries, that you should not think that they are practicing this language 30 minutes, I'm speaking for 15 minutes. It's okay, do it. Better than nothing. It's better than nothing. I hope guys you are understanding my words. I would like to give you one more example, okay, of consistency. Let's suppose if you are new to driving a car, so obviously it will not come to you, the perfection will not come to you at once only. Getting my point? So you have to practice it, you have to be consistent. Every single day you have to drive, every single day you have to try to achieve the mastery over it. All right, it will take time. When you will be consistent, obviously you can achieve the mastery over it. So the same case in the English language learning process, you need to be more consistent, you need to be consistent enough. Every single day practice it. Don't bother about your fluency, don't bother about your accuracy, just practice it. Speak broken English, wrong English, but speak English. See guys, it is really very much important that I told you, but you might be thinking it is really easiest task, and many of you have might skipped watching this video, did not watch. Why? Because you might be thinking every single day this boy talk the same thing. Yes, I talk the same thing. I want you guys to motivate you to improve your language, to learn this language. Why? Because I believe that if you listen the same particular thing every single day, so it will really change you, it really changes you. So that's the reason I try to speak a bit portion in every single my video, the same thing, so that it will really help you to wake up and start learning this language. Yes guys, if you will not wake up right now, then it will be really very late, and at the end of the day you will be crying, and you would think that, oh, I wish I had done hard work in past, so today I would speak really great English. That's the reason, guys. If you will work for it today, right now, then tomorrow you will be speaking really wonderful English, right? I don't care about the people, what they think about me. So the same thing you need to do. You should not care about the people, what they think and look at you when you speak English. No need to worry. Let them do, let them do. Why? Because they don't know you better than you. Okay? Because it is your life, you know why it is needed in your life, why English is needed in my life. Obviously, if English is needed in my life, I have to work for it. They will not come and they will not work for it for me, right? So we have to work for it, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you understood it and you will start following my technique, wonderful technique. And if yes, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye. See you soon. Once again, thank you.